Chef Wainaina here. Today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite recipes to make here at home, my sweet potatoes breakfast hash. This is a recipe that I make in a big batch, portion it, and then save it, and then I have it in the morning. Just put an egg, an avocado, or anything you have, and you're good to go. So my sweet potato hash recipe is always simple to put together. You just need some sweet potatoes, some peppers of any color, a red onion, garlic. I always use cherry tomatoes. Today I have these nice, beautiful, ripe tomatoes, a garlic clove, and a piece of jalapeno. And then on the side here, I have my spice mix, and then some vegetable oil, and that's all I need. So to put everything together, just chop up the vegetables. I always like to cut my sweet potatoes into some small bite-sized pieces. For one, they bake or roast very fast. I'll use just a half of this pepper. A half of the orange one. Once my garlic is all pressed, just roughly chop it. I love lots of garlic in my food. My food is all about big flavors. It goes into the bowl, one onion. Just roughly dice it. The jalapeno. Seeds and all, this is optional, you can skip it. I like it. Tomatoes. So once everything is chopped, add like 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a good amount of my spices here, and then season, salt and pepper. Toast this. And then everything goes into this sheet pan here. 375 degrees oven. This takes about 25 to half an hour, or until everything is cooked through. Look at all those beautiful colors. Remember, always eat with your eyes. We'll come back when it's done. So there you have it, my friends, my favorite sweet potatoes hash. Just let it cool, and then I'll just put it away, ready for breakfast. Just put an egg on it, an avocado, and you are ready to go. Just an egg on top of it, some avocado, and you have yourself some nice protein-packed breakfast in the morning. You can make whatever you wish, a poached egg, just whatever you want to have in the morning with it. It's delicious. And besides that, top it with a piece of fish or chicken and you make yourself a dinner or lunch. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Just remember to comment, subscribe, and like my channel. See you soon.